Hi friends, this video shows how to fix microphone not working issue. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First take right controller, then press Meta button which has Meta logo on it. Press that Meta button. We get this main menu. On this main menu, select settings. Tap on this settings icon. Then go to system. Tap on system. Under system we can find sound option. Tap on sound option. Tap here. Under sound we can find mute microphone. Make sure that this option has been disabled. By default this would be disabled like this. If it is enabled like this, then microphone won't work. So make sure that this mute microphone option has been disabled. So that way we can easily fix that issue, microphone not working issue. Let me tap here and disable it. Just disable this option. So that is a fix. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.